Today is day 11 of Spin the Motherfucking Wheel. Today we got ESDEEKID. Now the reason I'm saying that is because I already recorded the whole process and everything and my mic was fucking muted. So instead of scrapping the whole video and not posting it at all, I'm just gonna go ahead and break it down. Just cause late as fuck and I got to edit it like late as fuck. Alright, so start off with this picture of ESDEEKID. Now this is like after some tweaks with the colors and everything like that. So the original looked like this. I went into camera raw filter. I'll show you guys the settings here. Just show you guys what I worked with. But yeah, we brought the exposure up, contrast up, highlights down a little bit, shadows up, whites up, and then blacks down a lot. And we also brought texture, clarity, and dehaze up. And then we went into the saturation in the color mixer. And we brought a lot of these down and kind of just kept the blue. And that's really it. That's really all we did here. And then obviously levels too, just to kind of darken it a little bit more. So we brought the darks in more like this. I could have went in more with it, but I didn't really want to, right? So I went ahead and made a threshold right here, just like that. All this does, these are the settings by the way for it, but all this does is it gives us this kind of like cool like effect. Like, I don't know how else to describe it. You know, this like the easiest way to do this like whole SDK kind of effect. I was obviously going for his rebel look, like the cover art, so we used threshold for this, you know, black and white. And by the way, this only really works because of this image, because you know the chains and shit like that. But you can obviously do this with whatever image you are working with. Like, you could probably find something unique or something cool you could add into it. But yeah, I basically merged all this shit together and then I cropped it like this. So I basically just got this cutout, and then I got a couple more cutouts. Let me disable this layer mask, bring it to normal. So basically this is literally just his like shoulder or his arm, and we just brought over to this side and then on. And then we also did the same with this one. So we just cut out literally the arm right here, and then we put that shit to subtract, and we got this invert kind of effect. And then I put layer mask on it and just removed, you know, a lot of these parts. So like even right here I can remove, just keep it clean, shit like that. And yeah, even with this we did the same shit with the difference. So it just gives it this like inverted kind of look. And then I just, you know, duplicated it, basically mirrored it over, and then I did the same with this one too, and we created this really sick kind of effect right here. Really simple, easy cover. You guys can probably do way more than this, but this is kind of what I came out with. I would honestly put this in the middle that I'm looking at, just to keep everything like centered. But yeah, that's basically it. I know this is like super short, but if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, yeah, peace.